Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can turn off your read receipts on Field. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply scroll to your home page and tap open your Field app. So once you open your Field app, it will take some time to boot itself up, and once it is completely booted up, you will end up in its home screen where all you need to do is tap on the profile icon. Now all you need to do is scroll down and tap on the edit profile option. Once you tap on edit profile, you need to scroll down to the end and tap on the incognito mode. This can only be done if you have a Majestic membership. However, if you take Majestic membership, you can have the incognito mode and enjoy being not seen, as well as turning off the last receipt. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.